4.7a, translating between percentages and proportions. Remember that percentages are fractions with denominator of 100. We can use this fact to turn a percentage problem into a proportion problem. Our proportion is set up like this. So we always have a part and a whole given in a problem. So our proportion is the part over the whole is equal to the percentage over 100. Let's go through some examples so we can see this in action. Example 1. What percent of 30 is 18? So 18 is a part of 30, so 18 is going to be our part, and 30 is going to be our whole. So on the left-hand side, we have 18 over 30. Our percentage, we don't know. That's what we're asking for. What percent? So that's going to be x. Then on the denominator, we're going to have 100. So to solve this problem, we solve it like any other proportion problem. We can multiply both sides by the LCM. That's a very valid way to do this. Or I could just start by multiplying both sides by 100 and doing some algebra. So you see that the 100s will cancel on this right-hand side, leaving an x. And this becomes 1800 over 30. And when we divide this out, we end up getting x equals 60. So 18 is 60% of 30. Example 2. I know that 15% of my welds are done with TIG, and I have 45 TIG welds. How many welds do I have in total? So now let's use our proportion again. It's the part over the whole equals the percentage over 100. This is something that should be committed to memory, for sure. So we are given the part, so only a portion of my welds are done with TIG, so 45 TIG welds are going to be the part. So we have 45 over here. It's asking for how many welds I have in total, so I don't know my whole. So that's going to be my variable x. My percentage is going to be 15, because that's given up here. And 100 is 100. Now I can solve this in the very same way. I can multiply both sides by x. The x's on the left-hand side cancel. So I get 45 equals 15x over 100. I can then multiply both sides by 100 to get 15x equals 4,500. And 4,500 divided by 15 on both sides to cancel this ends up getting us 300 equals x. So I have 300 welds in total.